Bullish Dogelon Mars cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0, $0 2030. Market investigators accept ELON could reach $0 2025. Bearish Dogelon Mars market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Dogelon Mars presentation. Dogelon Mars is one of a few Doge-themed crypto tokens accessible last year in 2021. The crypto's makers portray it as a fair all-inclusive cash for individuals and an interplanetary money utilized by space colonizers. Dogelon Mars isn't just a digital currency yet in addition a person in a comic series that is accessible for buy as non-fungible tokens. Amusingly, you can get them with Ethereum. Despite the fact that this cryptographic money has an enormous and energetic local area, there are various motivations to be careful about it. This digital money guide will reveal all that you want to be aware of Dogelon Mars and its highlights. In any case, our essential spotlight will stay on the Dogelon Mars cost forecast from 2022 to 2030. What is Dogelon Mars? Dogelon is a blockchain-based environment used to create and uphold space projects. It is utilized for trading products, making installments, and remunerating givers. Dogelon Mars was sent off on April 23, 2021. In any case, there's no data accessible about the symbolic's maker. It likewise comes up short on white paper illustrating its central goal and targets. Nothing recognizes Dogelon Mars from other crypto tokens with regards to utility. You can purchase, sell, and send it to crypto wallets, yet that is valid for pretty much every advanced money. Notwithstanding, the Dogelon Mars designers have done a couple of interesting things. 1. ELON Group didn't do a presale or keep tokens themselves since they needed to make a fair cash. 2. The undertaking's underlying stockpile was 1 quadrillion ELON tokens. 3. The designers imitated Shiba Inu's exposure stunt by sending half of those crypto tokens to Ethereum Prime supporter Vitalik Buterin. Buterin gave roughly 43% of the ELON tokens to the Methuselah establishment, a cause devoted to expanding human lifespan. In May 2021, the establishment swore not to offer any of those tokens to propel ELON's drawn-out incentive for basically a year. Tokenomics of Dogelon Mars environment. Dogelon Mars digital money is known as ELON, and it is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain that was sent off in April 2021. It's called ELON, and it's named after Elon Musk. He is an ally and financial backer in Dogecoin. It has great tokenomics, and Dogelon Mars is recorded on major decentralized trades with numerous symbolic matches. Poloniex offers the ELON USDT market pair. In such trades, a record can be opened utilizing a name or an email address. The Dogelon Mars digital currency has circulated around the web via online entertainment and acquired media consideration. Individuals have started putting resources into the token. In October, the cost of Dogelon Mars ELON expanded in excess of multiple times and gave an enormous return. The organization then rose to the 150th situation with regards to showcase capitalization. There was no token presale on the grounds that it is a fair widespread digital currency. In the wake of sending half of the coins to Vitalik Buterin, the leftover portion of the tokens are secured the Uniswap liquidity pool as ELON and ETH matches, which will remain until the end of time. They additionally put 40 ETH in the liquidity pool, worth around $100,000 at that point. Dogelon Blemishes Group then consumed the liquidity supplier tokens they got, keeping them from pulling out or gathering any of Uniswap's liquidity rewards, which will just accumulate over the long haul. The Dogelon Mars Group showed that they wouldn't commit a floor covering pull, a crypto trick in which designers siphon up the worth of their virtual money, pull back however much they can, and dump the task by consuming the liquidity supplier tokens. The Dogelon Mars originators cannot do so in light of the fact that they consumed the tokens they got for keeping assets into the undertaking. Maybe that is the justification for why Dogelon Mars presents itself as an undertaking pointed toward fixing the harm done by digital money tricksters. Trick casualties are asked to give ELON tokens to the Dogelon Mars people group. Dogelon Mars current cost. Dogelon Mars is at present worth $0. ELON has moved 2.71% as of now with an exchanging volume of $3,438,851. Dogelon Mars is at present positioned 155 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $179,987,959 USD. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Dogelon Mars market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2023. Dogelon Mars, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The ELON cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. ELON is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Dogelon Mars ELON cost expectation has a lot of space for development because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives. We guess that the cost of ELON will before long outperform $0. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the ELON's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ELON will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. ELON might benefit in the event that the market encounters a decay. The objective may not be met. ELON is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Dogelon Mars effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the ELON coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ELON will be green in 2026. The ELON is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ELON cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2027, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, ELON has a greatest value worth of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that ELON figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0. Neglecting to accumulate the help ELON needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2029. While ELON is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2029. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Dogelon Mars will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In